the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months
I'm changed. I'm not going to do things like I used to. Okay? So feel free, talk. Okay? Feel free, open up. What is bothering you?
I don't even know how to say it because I don't know how you take it.
I am going to take it normal, Kanye. I don't know what you're going to say, but listen, feel free and talk to me. Huh? Feel free, okay? My princess, talk to me.
You know, when I came to the school, people really respected me. Like I was held in like some high esteem.
Yeah.
But now,
Someone, right?
yeah.
When you first came here.
But now it's like, Obia, sorry, you're not disrespecting me. People just disrespect me here and there. They call me gossip. As a main character, they said my
Kanye, listen. People change. Huh? People change. It's not your fault. So you think it's your fault?
I'm not saying it's my fault.
So you take it as such.
I'm saying this
them.
to lead it, like it's leading to something.
Okay, this is not what you're going to say.
I'm not done.
Okay.
No.
Oh, yeah.
But it's like you're taking it well.
Okay.
I respect you for that. Let's continue like that.
Come on. What are we here?
So just because of all those things, I've been thinking, and I feel like I have to do what's best for me. Cause you and I, you know me. You know that I always choose people first, but this time I have to choose myself first. So that is why I've called you today to tell you that
Should we start attacking them, those disrespecting them, right?
No, calm down.
And go straight to the point. I don't get it.
That is why I wish we could break up or something.
Stop it. Tell me what you want to tell me, Kanye.
I'm serious. I want to break up and focus on my books, focus on myself. We just met here. We was just a school relationship. We are using each other to complete our courses. It's not anything. Yeah.
Kanye.
Aroma, is that you take the thing well? And it's supposed to help both of us. Now we've gotten what we both wanted from this relationship. So let's go our separate ways. What do you want again?
Kanye.
You want to marry me?
Listen, so you were using me.
Oh, it's not you. We were using each other.
I wasn't using you, Kanye.
Aroma.
Hey.
Now.
You're joking, right?
I have to focus on myself.
Listen, Kanye, enough of the joke. Come on, stop this. Enough of this. What do you want?
To focus on myself.
So are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
You mean we should what? Break up?
Yes. No, Aroma, no, don't do this. No, you don't do this.
Kanye.
I've already made up my mind though. Nothing will change my mind. You Obian ways. Free mommy back. We are not from the same womb.
Kanye.
It's not by force for us to continue. If I don't want to continue, just understand.
Hey, what do you want me to do, Kanye?
Understand.
Understand, just like that.
Oh, you cry. Your scores are going low. You have to focus on your.
No, I want it like that. My person will be Kanye. For you, let mommy away. For Kanye.
Don't
Kanye,
touch
please,
me.
don't do this, okay?
Don't touch me. Oh, I'm serious.
Hey, what did I do? Huh?
It's not about you, it's about me. It's just about me. It's not about you. Just let me go.
Kanye, please.
Aroma, don't touch me.
Kanye!
Oh.
Kanye, how? Kanye.
Don't follow me.
Berry. My cherry berry. Oh, Venice. Maybe do someone. Berry. My cherry berry. A 2 me whom a brim.
Come on.
Love one thing. Babe, you know what? Put your body on rotation. Put your body on rotation for me. Venice. Hey!
What?
This is motivation. Debbie, this is temptation, Venice.
Temptation will him.
This is the proper definition of back foundation. I don't want man Benes. Debut. What no?
I didn't first time I who made 2 hours today.
And then you're not see you have a count, Benes. How are you?
I'm fine, you.
Benes. Babe, I've been meaning to tell you. I've been meaning to tell you something. And your man out to my man a song.
What's the day?
Oh, Benes.
And your ma bear.
Last time we shopping how you man.
What's in your man now? Me to toy and your manasa.
Yeah.
Ah, she said the amount for can next. I no crown. So what in your man church and say no crown.
Benes, they be me yes, sir.
Come on, your man to say first nibiomo.
Oh, Benes.
Your man ain't to say first nibium. Who knows so no ye be more so him and no say me here. Mean to me coin cause embe spend and for me sick and to turn your mind from here.
Debbie Benes now, Debbie, we are in a relationship together. So if you buy something for me, what is the problem with that?
No, dear, now I am mameda.
Benes won't kind your mama yamona. Benes.
And then I am mameda.
Benes, kai utimo.
Men kaiden.
Kai utim.
Dear, we know what my bro. Aden. Or bad to say me. Mean charming home comra, let's kaka cramina. Me de atonyo ma de guo. We are now side the chiche won.
Benes me and
we are now side the chiche.
Benes, that's what I'm saying. Me found and you may find chemiana midi. Me kwame yam. Benes. Me kwame yam.
My headmaster fucking hey.
Was it then?
My headmaster.
Yeah, Benes, two person the headmaster charming puana. Benes, is that what you are telling me? No, Jemimu, Benes, Jemimu, so me. Ah, there be what the headmaster charming puana Benes. What do you think I am? Debbie Benes, what do you think I am? What do you take me for? What from me no like Debbie? Charming boy Benes, charming boy. Jais how the headmaster charming boy. Ah, what is that?
To Cheme.
Diano. Why will you do something like that? Yes sir, Benes. Yes sir. Yes Anna. I said you are letting me talk to you anyhow. I don't like that, Benes.
I said I'm sorry.
I should be doing it.
But then I'm a catcher on the medium. I'm beside me to discuss on your mind.
Benes. You're going to throw it here.
I'm a catcher on me.
Listen to I play. Tianibo. Oh. Show working. Why is this here?
Come on, get back.
You said,
get back, come here. Enjoy stubborn papa.
Yeah, I'm not stubborn. I'm the coolest guy you can ever find on campus.
Would there any Benes?
Oh, Benes.
You can't try home. So you can't try home.
I won't lie to you. I'm even afraid to lie to you.
Would there any Benes?
Benes is just a friend to me.
Just a friend.
Just a friend. Just that.
And come on, I'm doing now. I'm doing it. Benes here with you.
What kind of conversation were we having?
I bring now was sir. Because I said no was so now because I know how shortcuts. Because I know how to break no. So I'm because I said you know because I give you a minimum.
Senior, I'm sick. You are insulting me.
So we are now doing any man. Piano no to China and Menkasa. Mr. Woody and the Benes no.
Benes is just a Benes is just a friend to me, like I said. Nothing is going on between us.
You maintain command Moody. I can't plan on her. I'm got some trouble. I got to 12 and penny for Cheshire, a Catawani. As I have offered penny in Pabuan Susha, and Daniel Fidele, you are on the Woyan. Your life, you shall. What are kind of temperament and command Moody in Amity? It's
not like that, Senior. Oh, Senior, can I ask you something?
I said,
we didn't find before, so.
May offended a general overcome. So one also bear me. I say elbow.
I just wanted to ask him, have you been able to deal with the forces that are rising against you on this campus?
Forces. Forces like what?
I mean, have you been able to deal with the issues between you and Lucci and then Richie? Tatiana.
Me bo. Obiara be come as a man come awo.
No, not that. I'm just.
One more near travel when in town to me bisa me plan for what asem.
No. It's
what going on between me and Lucci and Tatiana. Na no if I obey.
Oh, senior.
Sir, osa so eche dwaye. Mate.
See,
asiami mi bisa wo ne ayi ho asema wo begira me nima. Me bisa na be ne so asema wo begira me nima ka tem say me and Lucci. Na say me nwene me ho boa.
See,
me nwene me ho.
Sometimes you think about your issues
yourself.
Yeah.
Anyway, you always a headmaster, but bye.
Oh, senior.
You always a member headmaster, man. Yes, only a planet champion.
Opoku.
Oh, didn't cause I said, me, my old senior, my behuah. Let me be
it's not like that. Benes is just my friend.
Oh, Cassam, when ye say, and you said, oh, dear, and you say, only make a side general in the Casa.
Senior Wilson, it's not like that. It's not like that. Benes is just a friend to me.
About side Jibino was. Let me say, cry was I know Yali, but was I be no cry? I'm a boy headmaster money. I don't know your name is Shipran.
My parents will hear about it too.
We hear about
if you tell headmaster, my parents will.
That's all I cry.
No. Benes is just a friend to me.
Can
honestly speaking, I didn't want to tell you this, but honestly speaking, Benes is just a friend to me. We go to prefs together and.
Yeah, me punk when I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Akete, she. Oh, say see that video say me pewasem. Oh, see the missing and I get power one show. Akete, we are so obi no one penny about some more. The ana say as one day ni ma basa meeting any YouTube na me nya bere. Oh, Kobransi wo de makuma so pa. Sisi ve Kobransi abeda makuma sa na so abeda makuma so. Me komenzu se me pewasem sada. Akete, pewasem na Kobran hu me shi. And we make ship papa. So sure the basa no. Oh, but say so only ne try say so why cool say that's so sure the musa so now born me sua de. Okay say she mo bi ntiti ntemote. Masse ba ko penu mo bi ntiti ntemote. What
Hey, aso.
Do bi abeka bia ntie.
After aso. Boy.
And ohia bibi ohia bia o de busame. What I say? Eduane e comedy wa ensuo so be catch me say comedy wo.
Comedy me.
What I say? Bibi ohia bia. Oh you be ko fie ko didi. Bibi ohia bia ba me say me sick be obitia about 10 bia ba boa me kora. What I say? Onam yo ya keke ko obitia be da. Ba meeting me susu no ada kama. Bibi ohia bia no amenya ma. Emma obi me keka nsem chiro mo bi me du bi no so. Me haji. What is the mission? Do you be some? He said, Pa say, Moody that's one of your wedding. Shenny fair bay. Nam shark, the pa honey wedding gown. Na a crown with shooty. Hey, neither daily baby. Mummy. Into Jesus and Banod on a pa.
Oh, you don't know.
Pa.
Pa, the pie can't say my pa, nibi. Pa, I'm so pemmy.
And you just over me, Ban.
No, I'm not so worried. I'm going to so worry me.
Okay, now the 9 year old is never over me. Open pass over one better. Union bonny here. Union bonny. And Miss Anna Science, what?
But you
What? We be and soon yes, we can in na kai no see ni na twam. Ni twam say be ni ho. Be meeting fine be a media kuma pani ni gie na je wo so. E mo bi metutu nsem asum na be say na wase no enko no ho onye na ne ba no kra ye ni nyai say mo bi me yes ade ne enfanchiro. What the me jono. And then transform dream. The shen you do time you see the moko shen de kama. But the major no. Me nye basa. I'm bandy idea of him saying a cooking yet. Who did not any of Bobo? Means soon me too. So buy a day in second year and yet, on finance and come over. Oh, and yes, I don't know Pemabro power. We will be Sibimo. Oh, we will be Sibimo to me, to say, on yes, I beat that. On finance and count that. I don't base or didn't sacra bet 12 minutes to be secret, but catch me. 2 moments to be secret, but catch me. You may know. Kuni. No, Puna, listen to Kuno.
I say, the brightness of the day has given you the opportunity to talk to you.
And also, energy.
So, but you say I should speak English when I meet you. Yeah. So I'm speaking English. First, of course, something is happening in
First
this.
what?
Of course. Plenty things is going on in this school. If you don't talk about it, the school.
What is going on?
Say, my family tree.
No, speak English.
Say, wow, Nipa.
Why Nipa is not English? Speak English.
Your personal human being.
Opoku.
Your personal human being.
My personal human being.
Yes.
Which?
Benis. Benis
No.
is doing a lot in this school. Say.
When did Benis become my personal human being?
Oh, say, but we all know that you are.
You and who know?
The whole school.
The whole school knows what?
So that one for this side. You see, we are all students, and as a student, say there is a pretty things you don't have to do. So you know that. Benis and that boy called that junior boy that when you talk then you go to a commercial break. What is technique? Karma.
Hey, Opoku, Katri. Wow.
Say Benis ne Karma and you might go to school man. Say, could you believe say Benis ne Karma ne chimpna?
Benis ne Karma.
On ne Karma chimpna. Me who cram who am 7 times. Almost 50 man. Entertainment. Say entertainment yeah ti hona yeah witness a man for more to nyom ni ade no yeah man for no say no mo afa entertainment for na chi akodina entertainment for na chi no mo ye ni ma say my pure almost 7 good times almost man
ni nyina pure almost no one can tell what house master
say me no sometimes me who bibi say ya na minim say bia omo be play na bi omo ye rehearsals but also 7 times
7 good times
7 times say na the anti cry headmaster me be catch on say exams ni ebe tro no one we be affect akura no
nkola mu hu ni oyin
Benis ebe affect no if you say so the na adwe ko relationship semo a onya adwene ana onya focus on adusua no one we be tro wie no are eba san so the boni na ebe school ebe Benis F9 a ebu say okọ school be na headmaster din the same say ebe body
go school I'm a headmasters
but say ebo sa wo gidi mbone eba sa aban no kra we mu a school a wonya de an here our the school be kan say am kra me school din di say
no school a wo win school ni
say makai enti asema me kan say ehonnom no point the point is akra me atwempena
Benis chimpna.
O chimpna. Anka oni senior akra chimpna. Say bia ye nim say. Asan ke normal. Sana mbwa ye bia obi ti say me kra say. Anka fane say
ya wo de o chimpna
normal. But junior.
Na wo kwa wo jimi o. Enti wo so mo chimpna once, twice. Twice me answer till 7th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. I don't know first and second kra wanka.
I me say me say bia obi o mo be play bi no mo ye rehearsals o say be play
we be no rehearsals wa sum
so sometimes say
next time bia mo champion school mo kisi mo school ma
play be play so na me dem me plan to ekwa de
why na ye play school ma ka chen
and dey be play
dey be o kire me bi me for examples
I be say wo say na ne be na say example ni bi say example ni bi no say o your headmaster utie o your headmaster school you won teach ma ye mo
so mo you play school ma
ni mo bia say ni mo bia
Yes, and try to ucha.
But girl ne de benis ne de oni sa
Yes, tembi pa ya some we play am ke so mo school.
Obia mi hu obia de. But sa benis ne ne de kama ne de me hu. Headmaster. Na ha me o say school yi me da bia me bom pa ma school yi. Me bom pa ma school yi me di ma school yi say be ya school yi e be tumpon.
O de wa kamate. Na hwem. Why?
Enra say classroom bi e tie yi o. Sas ho no. Block B ho no. Once a boy na running nika.
Why ring?
Boy na running nika.
Wa running nika. How wearing?
Say no be Johnson.
Ka wa ni pa. We Jimmy papa. Ka fu me so ko. Jimmy phone.
Say na we be running nika over here. Na Johnson na
say. Ko.
Say to me so for na see for mama.
Me so ko.
Say na ti ayin so baba be. Say science book no me so me be.
What yaka?
Say me tell me you.
Listen ba wudi wo. O we fi say you what you listen baba me ho. What yaka?
Any be
me na ba yam ko afa me ho.
Any be about country.
Ba yam ko afa me ho.
But
hey! What you are?
Me say e ba e dey mic dey obi 20 ka me her mic dey so.
Jimmy yana ba bi say mu ntwa ho ka obi say mu buko.
Say we no na make us man fancy for me.
Ka for fun mu ani so ko. Jimmy bi. Yes, a boy the one am the man in na na dey so on twe ho. Da so tag no. Oya mu Opoku mu nyina hu sampani ampa wo again. Ada me headmaster me di pamanum no. And also ni abia wotare ho chesa wo wi. Wo challenge me. We he ni bi so school wa. Boy there some money indefinite. The money indefinite akona kono bia
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could there for me. Pill be a hobby, girl, call me. Now send to me, I'll back a be a mule. I need someone to hold me down today. Me, pill be a betty, my summer say. Holding it down up my mom, and we'll be at this watch him, you. Yeah, and teacher me say, what dumb ya. I'm a deep, my cool, my mama, when you're me, yawa. So bet you me don't buy it, check me say, what dumb ya. Yeah, mommy was say, what dumb, yes,
You called for me, sir.
Yes, I did. What is wrong with you? Do you have any problem?
Sir, aside this my sickness, I don't have any problem, sir.
But I don't understand you nowadays. Academically, you are flopping.
Sir, really?
So you don't know you are flopping?
Sir, according to the assessment, I'm doing quite well, sir.
To you, the moment you think you are doing quite well is the beginning of your failure. So you are okay with where you are.
Sir, that's not it, but...
But what?
It looks like I've always been carrying the first position in my class. And then I didn't think that anything was going wrong until...
The fact that you carry first position doesn't mean you are doing well. When you came, the expectation on you was way above what you are doing now. So if you are flopping, are you to assess yourself or it's up to us to assess you?
Sir, it's up to you, sir.
So why are you telling us you are doing well whilst we are seeing you that you are flopping?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. You know, this is not the first time I'm calling you on this, isn't it?
This like the second time.
The second
yes,
time.
Sir.
Then if you're not careful, the third time you have to come with your parents.
Sir, please, not my parents, sir, please.
Because if you're not willing to change, if you're not willing to change, then the best thing I can do for you is to call your parents, send you, let them understand That is going to be the last time I'm calling you to talk about your performance on this school, on this campus or in this school.
Sir, please, not my parents. I'll do better, sir. I promise, I'll do better.
Do you know what? You're a nice boy, but I wonder why you want to waste your life on women. I learned every corner you'll be seen with a woman. Every corner you'll be seen with a woman.
Sir, me. Why? Sir, that's false accusation, sir. I don't do girls, sir.
You don't do girls?
Sir, no.
So
sir,
those girls that they see you with, they are men, isn't it?
Sir, normally I work alone on campus. My only friend is Aroma.
Hey, haven't I seen you before? Are you telling me I'm also lying?
Sir, that instance, it was her who told me to escort her to go get.
So is she a guy? Huh? Your mates have been seeing you with women, young girls. I've been seeing you, and you are telling me, no, you don't loiter around with girls. We don't do what with girls.
Sir, I promise you, I don't do that too.
You don't do that?
No, I don't do that.
It means I'm lying.
No, sir, you can't.
If I'm not lying, then you are doing girls.
I'm doing girls, sir.
You are doing girls, and you think it's good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing.
No, sir.
You are proud. You are doing girls.
No, sir.
Look at yourself. Why can't you fix up yourself before trying to, do girls or whatever it is?
So from today forward, I won't even walk around with any girl, not any other girl, any girl.
So what should I do to you if I see you in that?
So,
what should I do to you?
So,
tell me what to do.
So when you see me with another lady, you can even go as much as slap me, say.
Slapping you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Aside that, what else?
That's the only extreme measures you can take, sir, please.
Sacking you is not bad.
Oh, sir, if you sack me, which school again will accept me? With this condition, sir.
So you don't have a condition. You have underlying condition, you are fooling. Huh?
Sir, I was so grateful when you accepted me into this school, sir. Please don't sack me, sir.
You are grateful to have young ladies around you.
No, that is not it, sir. This school...
Then, you give me one thing to do to you, in case I see you with a girl.
Yes, sir.
And I'm adding mine. Mine is sacking you, and yours is slapping you.
So take mine and stop here, sir.
Seer. When you say school, I'm not person. Seer, when you are Seer, what's I name the womb? Who put a vibe there on? The vibes crying, baby. Seer, me aware. Say, school man, I won. I hear you, maybe I'm out of Kakra. But who are they? I am no dear. Me pawasem Seer, also permasem. Upon life be up permasem, can correct. I am fair on where still a house chichitino. Also, boys no mood yet in there's also broniba. Say they are a foreigner, and I'm a crime team that may say, oh, when you're foreigner, now you're Wagana.
You me now, Jina.
Say to Grana, me and I'm yet in your mount.
Now, Jina,
to a foreigner.
Now, with Jina.
See, a more boof. We are foreigner.
How was it?
They tell me, Fro. You may be Cotua. My general was a rumor, and a mere me, my dad, who's in Yam Hontias. One in the public, Mamma Hontias.
So, how can I help you?
See her. What do you name my same way?
What right do you have to come and ask me
see
that question?
See her.
Right to Ben now.
No, dear.
You and I don't have a vibe. You know it. You even said that earlier. You and I, we are not even in good terms.
But where they are, me was in Moscow. Huh? Nancy say pipe nancy. I saw by men me cry na me boo. But me jama wo buye. And no chile say me
asked you to do it. I never asked.
But me person me man who say me pewasem. What? I didn't know what name my head.
What are you using that information for?
Oh, for just to clear myself.
What do you want to clear?
As I said, I am a dajin. Me da mean to me.
I don't know what dajin. Don't think about me. I shouldn't even be part of your problems.
Minim say usudu say bia o ka tse me bia me kwakobo bia ma ne ana say bia we go kwakobo.
You just said your behavior and then that's it. You can never shut up.
Mejai. When was the last time I would tell washing Musuma?
I've been hearing it, but since you're none of my business, I decided not to talk about it.
But any first no compare.
It's the same. Recently it's worse.
If they free this week Benina, if we see Monday, what him wants on that? One day, Master hey, see I can swear. Say o ka save much me. Who be auntie?
You Opoku.
See Master. I'm a changed person. I'm now a changed person.
So I should trust you.
See
And so me when I'm not you're fine.
What am I missing? See come in the see what's this out? Can you home in a trim? Nah, yet you know be brave. And say, me mammy a mistake. And what the man on my account about me with them.
Are you sure?
See
you're not deceiving me, are you?
About me with them. I'm saying entirely been in Papa and a woman who's a school of beer, the whole school be intimate on dressing. Say Bassy and recipe, and I said it was a cute to should be beer fatal. And this be a me route remove. And this be a me route him, and no crana make catch. But you really were down, I'm
just telling you because he says you give me something in exchange.
Me the mount.
Opoku, if you don't give it to me.
See me the mount.
I've heard you. So, yeah. Saying my and I, we are a friend, we are dating, we are in a relationship.
Having?
What do you mean, pardon? You heard me?
Oh, Martin,
I said, sir, in my ear, and I are in a relationship.
You are dating him?
Yeah, I'm a boy now.
Sure, the old school no niate. Me de bia me ka. Mrs. Seer na niate. Ene kasa. O say it is obetima ene say my atwempna. And a man this time around you kasa won. Sure, woni ate. Enioma bi say na wo ya e mama ni gi no. Uhu mi hu ade ba hia waka no kra kire. Ti obasa na misu mi hu bibi na say bia e ba na enye wo side a. Ka me ho agi ama wo.
Sure.
Me kono be kan wasem kwa metima konto kwa ma woni me.
If you're really telling the truth, there me. So in my chain I'll take one for you, the good one.
We have a problem.
I'll give you one. That's only if you're not lying.
E be na da ko mi ana. Woni me chain me find a way because the chain me hu da hwinim egunukoma e dede na ye kekra me de no kora na na wo mu na me pe e na so aka kire me nso medi mboshe so. See, I'm in nya ba say kim. A man your money woman in I out there. What's my do say as my size?
5 carats gold.
5 carats. And our 9 sizes.
Size 36.
Size 36. What are the sizes?
Size 8.
Size 8. And Utino and your man are the children and size.
Yeah, you're in a wake, mommy.
Sarah, wake. You stretch it. Not another. I'll probably get a doubt too. Okay. Only problem. And your man in your bus Kim. No be a woman, but be a people. What it? In stretch it. Why? Okay. And if you want to you, why? May condescend to there. Why?
Opoku, one more thing. The conversation I just had with you, right?
This is
just right now. I don't want to hear a different story outside. Any baba mama catch you. Say me who say what could do come for we na so no be akodi nkoma. Me can me friends ya bodu Opoku. Ana maka show no.
Seer. Me ntimi nya bibi sa da. Seer. Obi am no aka asem kama aduabo fa hin be piem. Na me ebom bia mani nya me ankeni. Ni kofi poku. Aduabo nya me the heavy. Any spirit against me shall prosper. Duabo nyame